us a little bit about Skechers, yeah?
No, I mean, not even know. We are the largest selling brand in United States in women's category.
No, really? Wow.
We used to be #2 brand in
But
United States.
then we weren't happy.
Just recently we moved to #3 position. We are not happy about it, but we'll come back to #2 position. We started our journey in India 5 years back with a very small operation. We used to work like a startup out of a small office.
Hey, that's the thing, right? Like, we love startups in India right now. We just love
So, you know, bootstrapped, having an office which was like, 2,000 square feet. From that journey, today we moved to a 21,000 square feet office. We have 112 stores, practically one store opening almost every 2 days. We've got close to around 1,200 distribution points. We sell products which are in walking, running, fashion, lifestyle, kids, across the board, men, women. It's a crazy assortment that you can ever see.
That's fantastic. So, I mean, if I ever think of shoes, initially there was this thing in your mind that when you think of fitness shoes, you think of Skechers. But then, when you see the broad spectrum, you know that there's fashion, there's leisure, there's athleisure.
There's everything.
There's everything. And especially in a world where women are so hungry for style, I think thank you. On behalf of the entire women. We love it. We love it. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome on stage the lovely, young, beautiful fashion icon. I mean, she is somebody who truly embodies, the buffet of, the traits, the characteristics, and just the charisma that Skechers India brings now through Skechers Street. So yes, she can turn around, be that uber cool, girl who you want to turn around and, check her feet and check her moves out in a nightclub. She is the one who you want to watch, walking by, just with the wind blowing in her hair at the high street fashion scene. And yes, she can wake up in the morning, go for breakfast, or go to the beach and be just as cool, chic, and savvy. Now, ladies and gentlemen, there is no doubt that you will be in ashiki with her. She is everyone's Jaan, and sometimes she's the very scary but very lovable Begum Jaan. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Shraddha Kapoor. Hello! Please, hi, how are you? Good to see you. So there you go. Those are super cool shoes.
They are. Hi, everyone. Hi, hello, how are you? Good? Great.
So tell us, Shraddha, what do you, what goes through your mind when you have to wake up in the morning and pick up your perfect pair of shoes?
I think, I don't know where to start with my love for shoes. I really, and I think that's with every girl, some guys also who I know who are very obsessed with shoes. I have to find ways to keep my shoes because there's never enough place for them. Yeah. And so whenever I have to choose my pair of shoes, I just, get very excited because I feel like, okay, what's it going to be today? And whether it's, a pair of sneakers, I'm completely obsessed with sneakers, by the way. So, so much so that my mom says that you can open your own store of sneakers. That's
Did
how
you say
many.
102 stores?
112.
112, 113 stores. Okay, great.
So I have so many sneakers, and I think it's only going to keep increasing. And I have a lot of fun, and I get very excited when I have to choose the pair of shoes that I have to wear for any event, or even if it's just like stepping out of the house. So I get very excited.
Okay, so which is the latest trend that you are, completely obsessed with? Is it the solid whites, the solid blacks, the metallics from Skechers, or these lovely glittery ones? Like, which is the fashion fad that you are currently endorsing?
Before I answer that, I want to say that I'm really, really excited about today because I've had a very special memory with Skechers.
Oh, really? Nice.
That's before Skechers came to India. Whenever we would go on family holidays abroad, I would come back with Skechers shoes and I would be like probably one of the few people, or maybe the only one who had them in school while growing up. So I was like, okay, I'm the only one who has these, you know? So that was very special. So it feels really cool, and it feels really good to be a part of something that, you know, you've held quite, like, has been a part of your growing up years. So that's what I wanted to say. Favorite trend?
Yeah, like, I mean, you are a trendsetter, right? So which is the one that you would endorse right now?
Trend. It's very tough. Like, thinking about it, it just made me feel like, how can you choose? Because they're shoes.
Are so
you know, shoes, it's like, you want every kind of shoe. Every kind. All the kinds. And, yeah, I'm actually addicted to sneakers, so...
Yes. So we'll just give you the whole range. Oh, well, wait, hold on. You do have the whole range.
Yes.
Yes, you do. All right. You know, speaking about the whole range, would you just throw some light on Skechers India for us and Skechers Street specifically?
So when, you know, when we started 5 years back, you know, Skechers was more on to the performance segment. It was more about running. Then we launched walking shoes, which is called the Go Walk 3 and then the Go Walk 4, and created a complete new market where there is specific walking shoe for, you know, people who go for walks. Right. And today that has become a trend in the market to just have your Go Walk, you know, 3s or the 4s, whatever people are wearing. So all this while it has been all about performance, and then we moved into street, which is fashion, color, young, trendy, lifestyle. This is what, I mean, globally, this is what we do also. Yeah. It's just that we're bringing this, you know, to India for the first time. So street is all about young, trendy fashion. I mean, she has been to, you know, a lot of places and bought Skechers. The assortment is so huge in the stores. So, you know, slowly and slowly we're bringing in all that assortment to India. So this being the, you know, the young trendy fashion, you will see classics coming in. You will see a lot of other things that are coming, like simple things like boots.
Nice. What do you have to say about that?
I think that's awesome.
Yeah, I can like see her eyes were like, where?
I'm telling you, it's like,
I can see her like
there is no end to the amount of shoes that can come in, and the amount of like variations that can come in. So it's very exciting. And I just want to say thank you so much before we continue, that it's really, really very, very special for me to be here for Skechers. So thank you for having me.
Pleasure. Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you.
And well, I guess I just have one last question. Since we were speaking about fitness and fashion, when was the last time you worked out in like a trendy pair of Skechers Street sneakers? Did you ever work out in them?
So,
because you know you travel a lot as well,
so I have these. I've worn them and come today as well. They are my black Skechers shoes. So I was looking for that perfect black pair which had nothing else but just black.
All black.
All black.
Solid black.
And that I've worn those shoes while I was traveling, while I was doing my cardio sessions. I actually went for my first badminton session wearing those shoes when I was told that I need to wear specific badminton shoes. So yeah, those are my favorites right now.
So there you go. So finally you did reveal the answer. So the solid black is your current favorite trend. All right. So well, I guess we've spoken quite a bit about Skechers Street, and we welcome you to the family, and we'd like to request you to kindly speak about this and let the whole world know that we are here to stay. And if you want shoes that are effortlessly dancing through high street fashion, or just a cool, you know, sunny morning, or at the nightclub, then Skechers Street is your answer. Yeah. So Shraddha,
I totally agree.
Isn't it?
Yes.
So I'm going to request you to kindly give our shutterbugs like pictures here by the club, there by the high street, and right there by the cool breeze. Yeah? Yeah? Okay. You want me to take this away? You want to hold that?
I think we need to be doing something before that. Am I right? Am I right? Am I right? Okay. What we are supposed to do is I'm supposed to be trying one pair from here.
Oh, lovely. So that is what. Oh,
and one pair from there. So I think let's do that first. What do you guys
no, that is what this was about.
Should we do that? Okay.
Yeah.
I am really sorry I forgot my socks. So I'm going to do this without my socks.